Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is the last pantry haul of 2022. We all so far have survived the winter storm of a lifetime, and now we have the polar opposite coming. So y'all get prepared for potential storms. So if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into our haul. So first we have a kitchen set. It's 2 pot holders, 2 kitchen towels, and yeah, that's it. In dark blue and white. I like my blue. In the kitchen, and we got a 3-pack of seasoning from Subscribe and Save. We got the prime steak seasoning, the smoked barbecue rub, and fajita seasoning, and the 3 of these were $7. Oh, and the kitchen set was $3 at Walmart. When you can find stuff on sale, especially end of season, end of year, and you're going to be needing to replace certain things, towel sheets, whatever, go ahead and pick them up and just put them away. Then you'll have them when you're ready, and they won't cost double or triple. Because prices are going up again. They have already let us know a lot of egg shortages. There's going to be some beef shortages, so get what you can. And if you're prepared for weather, you won't have to go out there and, I mean, think of it, one day and they started looting in Buffalo. One day when everything got bad. I got a 3-pack of the Velveeta cheese sauce. You can do all kind of stuff with that. Casseroles, vegetables, potatoes. I got some freeze-dried cremini mushrooms from Freeze Dry Wholesalers because they had warned they won't be having mushrooms for a while. Don't know if it's a supply chain issue or what. I got some regular old Machan, anyways, the top ramen that we're all familiar with in the roast chicken flavor. My favorite in this is the pork, but you just can't find it. So what I did get was this brand in pork. Big Soup, Big Taste. So I don't know what the actual name of it is because it's not in English. But it's a hot and sour pork flavor. And hot and sour soup is up there with chicken noodle if you get sick. And these are new flavors. At least this one's a new flavor to me. This is the black bean noodle with the chapaguri. So it's also spicy seafood with the black bean. And if you haven't tried the black bean noodles, try them. They're amazing. If you have a Korean or Chinese restaurant that sells them, try them. But you can get these noodles, the jjajangmyeon. Probably not saying it right. That's my favorite noodle. And then these were new, but you can't find them anywhere, so I found a couple of packs and got them. And they are the habanero lime spicy chicken noodle. So that is my ramen stuff. I love my ramens. I got a can of roast beef hash because we ate one, so I replaced it. I got 2 cans of the corned beef because we ate some, so I replaced it. And then when we made that chili, I used the rest of my chili powder. So I got some chili powder. And this I came across, I didn't even know it was a thing. Pinto bean seasoning. I want to taste it. Did you guys know there was even a thing as pinto bean seasoning? I didn't. It smells like beans, actually. It almost tastes like refried beans, if I were to say. If I were to compare it to something, has the flavor of refried beans. So I would probably use this in refried beans or a Mexican style refried bean or pinto bean. I got some pumpkin seeds for my husband's granola. And then I got a case of this Punjabi. It is chickpeas with potatoes and onions in a sauce. You just heat it up and put it over rice and then have a flatbread. Very easy, tasty meal. It's also vegan, so if you have vegetarians and vegans in your family, it's a good one to do. This is a made in USA product, non-GMO, gluten-free. So it's a good product. So if you see them at the store, try a few of them. Some of them are curry type things. You just mix some water with it to the consistency that you like, and that is good for your rice stores. And then I got 2 cans of olives. They don't have the sliced olives very often anymore, so I just chopped these up, and they were $1.28 or 48 a can on Amazon. I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips to make some chocolate chip cookies when I'm finished with this video, and hopefully this is a lead-free chocolate. Y'all heard about that? I got a container of minced onion. Use that in place of onion in a lot of your recipes. Can't get onion. Got some big can of the Nido milk. This is a really good brand, and it will keep. It's already in a can. I got some Chuck Wagon corn from Freeze Dry Wholesalers. So I want to add to my vegetables. I got the beef fajita strips. These are fully cooked, so you just rehydrate and heat up and then mix with your veggies. I got the freeze-dried Monterey blend. This has broccoli, I believe it's might be carrots, and yellow squash, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and yellow carrots. So those yellow circles are carrots. I got 2 packages of freeze-dried asparagus. My husband loves asparagus. I got some freeze-dried white mushrooms, some onions and peppers to go with the fajita meat so I can make a full fajita meal. Got some more chocolate to add to my candy making, and I will research this for the lead. I don't think the brands that I got are on the list. I got some honey roasted peanuts. You know how my husband loves his nuts. Plus I use them in different flavors of granola that I make for him. And that granola lasts him a few weeks because it makes such a big batch. So you can cut it in half and make 2 different flavors. And then I got, for my winter clothes, my husband got me some sweats for Christmas. And this is a sweatshirt. So it's cute. Add to those warm clothes. I took the shaker off. Yeah, it even smells a bit like the taco seasoning, actually. So is that everything? I think that is everything. So it looks like Dragon Country sending us whatever version of the beer virus, so no telling what's going to be happening. So make sure you're prepared just in case some nonsense stuff happens again and we have to stay home. You'll have everything you need. So this is the final haul of 2022. A little bit of everything, little bit of fill-ins, a little bit of warm clothing, and replacements for the kitchen when we ruin our towels and oven mitts. So anyways, you all take care. You stay safe. Keep an eye on the weather. Could have some weird winter tornado stuff coming through this week. But everybody's warming up, so that's good. So I will see you all soon in the next video.